মৈত্ৰেয়ীৰ সৰু ফুল লৈ আহিছোঁ 2015 চনৰ ছান ফ্ৰান্সিস্কো উপসাগৰীয় অঞ্চলৰ বিহু মেলাত মৈত্ৰেয়ী দাসৰ পৰিচালনাত বিহু নাচ পৰিৱেশন কৰা কণমানি বিহুৱতীকেইগৰাকীৰ মনৰ বতৰা। এই সৰু ফুল কেইপাহি অসমৰ মনোমোহা কপৌ ফুলৰ তুলনাত কোনো গুণে কম নহয় কিন্তু।
Thank you, Maitreyee, for teaching me Bihu. I really enjoyed dancing. Hi, Maitreyee. Thank you for teaching me such a wonderful Bihu dance. I hope you teach me Bihu dance again. My favorite step in my dance was this. And my favorite step in the big girls dance was this. Thank you. Hi, Maitreyee. I had so much fun in Bihu. Thank you for teaching me Bihu dance, and I had fun dancing with my friends. Thank you again. Thank you, Maitreyee, for teaching us Bihu. Thank you, Auntie, for teaching us Bihu. You are a great teacher.
This is Zoe. Thank you, Maitreyee, for teaching me Bihu. You are an awesome teacher. মই তোমাৰ লগত বিহু শিকি বহুত এনজয় কৰোঁ। Thank you.
Thank you, Maitreyee. বিহু শিকোৱাৰ কাৰণে বৰ ভাল লাগিলে নাচি পেলাই।
বিহু অসমীয়াৰ পাপতি হুহুই।
আমি আকৌ বিহু নাচিম।
Thank you for teaching us Bihu.
Thank you, Maitreyee, for teaching us Bihu. It was really fun, and I look forward to many more Bihu practices.
Maitreyee, thank you so much for choreographing and teaching us Bihu this year. I look forward to dancing Bihu every year, and I was really excited when I found out that you were teaching. I really enjoyed the dance and all the steps. They were really easy and just fun to follow. I really appreciate you spending your valuable time on putting together this dance. And I got so many nice compliments on the Bihu dance, and everybody really loved it, including me. And I look forward to maybe learning from you next year. Thanks again.
অশেষ ধন্যবাদ মৈত্ৰেয়ী।